there. Welcome back to MHB Auto Vlogs. Today we're going to review the Hyundai Accent 5th generation. It's a 2020 model. So let's get started. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So from the front, it's resembles with the previous generation of Hyundai Elantra, and Hyundai has done a pretty excellent job, and now it's got a more better road presence, and the grill has been facelifted, which looks pretty and we are getting the fog lamps as standard in this car, and still we are having the halogen headlamps, which is decent in this class. And let's talk about the rear side profile. Well, the side dimensions, it's the length of the car is 4.4 meters, and the width is 1.7 meters, and the height is 1.4 meters, and it's got the wheelbase of 2.6 meters, and we are having the boot space of 400 liters of boot space. And regarding the rear profile, well, the tail lamps kind of butterfly setup, and it's just the justice with the rest of the design, and Hyundai has done excellent job. It's a 1.6 liter engine badging over here, and Accent. Well, the Hyundai Accent interiors always impress me, and this time around also there's no exception. The interiors are pretty good in this car. You can see over here the dashboard is very well laid out, and there is silver accents on the AC vents, look gorgeous. And we are having basic AC, and there is no infotainment system, as this is the base variant of this car, and there is no panoramic sunroof. We will be getting in future the top end cars. I'm just a beginner, so it's difficult to get the top end variants. And the steering is pretty good, very good leather wrapped, and adaptive cruise control is available, quite a handy feature. And we are having some audio system controls and the telephony controls, and very familiar the odometer and all contains basic information, fuel gauge, temperature gauge and all. And gearbox is pretty good in this car. This is a 6-speed automatic gearbox, and we are having some charging outlets over here, and some USB support is available, quite good. The practicalities of this car is pretty good, cup holders and all, and these are mirror controls, and the door this side also looks premium but still plastic. And this is the glove box of this car, quite good size. Really impressed. Practicality has been good in this car. So let's check out the second row seats of this car. So second row seats, I always have been complaining about with the Hyundai Accent, the rear seats. See, there is not the great legroom in this car. You can see in the previous generation headroom also been not good, and this is the problem with the Hyundai Accent. I'm not that impressed. The seat is set at max, still you can see my legs are touching the seats, and see, they are not good really. Hyundai Accent must do something to sort this out matters. And now we're gonna check the boot space of this car. This is a 400 liters of boot space, quite good. I'm very well impressed with this car, with the boot space and all. Practicality is good in this car. Now let's check out the performance of this car. Now coming to the performance, well, the Hyundai Accent 2020 is powered by 1.6 liter engine, which produces 123 bhp of power and 151 nanometer of torque at 6,300 rpm. Well, the first impression of this engine, very smooth, very linear, and Hyundai has tweaked the engine pretty well. I'm very much impressed. And the Hyundai Accent is competing with the likes of Hyundai's Nissan Sunny, Honda City, and the Toyota Yaris, and even they are very well established rival of this car. And Pause karo. And regarding the reasons to buy this car, well, the car is very no nonsense. It's a no nonsense car. It does everything, all the job, whether it is a city commuting or the freeway jobs. It's a very pretty decent car. I am very well impressed with this Hyundai Accent, and very easy to drive car. Pause kar do. Now, regarding the reasons to buy this car, well, Hyundai Accent is a very well-established car, and is the first and foremost reason. And it's got a very excellent fuel economy, which is up to 550 kilometers tank range, which is pretty excellent in this class. And it's a very excellent value for money proposition. And when coming to the rivals, its interiors are pretty better than its rivals. And if you're looking for a car which is value for money and long durability, well, this is the car for you. Well, hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. We will be back with more exciting cars. Thank you so much.